Hi, good afternoon. It's me again. Uh, Today is Sunday, 19th of July 2020, and the time now is 5 p.m. So, just giving you the update of my footpath construction. So, I already prepared uh, a shutter or formworks for pouring concrete for this footpath stage by stage construction. What I'm going to do here, so still the base course is so deep, so I have to raise it up to that level, so I have to backfill it all the way through there. So once already been backfilled, so I gotta pour this one first, and then second is this strip. So once it's dried, I'm going to remove this shutter here, this one and the other one, I mean the top part, and then so the third one is this one, and the fourth is this block here. So once everything is pour concrete, so I have to remove it, and then so I just pour the middle. So that's I gotta put another division here like that. So 900 mil to here. So that's the 6 stage pouring of concrete. I mean, this is 5 and this is 6. So once I finish this 6 stages, I gotta transfer this formworks in this bottom part. So it's the same process. So basically in this area here, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, so we have another 6 stages or 6 time pouring in this area here. So 12 altogether on this bottom part. And then on the top part, it looks like we have 10 stages of concrete pouring, but I haven't touched that one first because I'm concentrating on this bottom part. So I will continue tomorrow since already getting dark. So to my subscribers, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, I hope you like my small presentation. And before I forget, this height there, this side is lower than the left hand side. I'll show you. See the bubble? The bubble is on the right hand side, meaning right side is higher than the left hand side. So that's the level. So that's about 30 mil or 35 mil difference. So same as here. So the bubble is on the right hand side. So as here, so So the bubble is the right hand side, but here on the top part they are level. So basically the upper part is the same level as on the right hand side. The reason why we lower this left hand side, so that the runoff will flow from that point going to this channel here. So this is the finished level of concrete on the left hand side, and that string line there is the finish of concrete, as you can see on the string line. Basically, actually that's the string line. So this is the finish of concrete. So that's about 20 mm lower from the bottom of this door. So yeah, so that's the principle why, or the reason why I lower the left hand side, so that all the runoff coming from the top flows on the left hand side and goes to the water channel and discharge here. So we have a channel here which is 90 mm wide and 90 mm depth, and I'm gonna put a cover on that as well. Alright, okay, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching, and please be safe, and see you next time. God bless, and please be safe. Bye for now.